The government making steady progress to complete its legislative agenda ahead of next year's general election. Last night, they moved a step closer with House members passing the Road Traffic Amendment Bill and the Criminal Procedure Code Amendment number 2. Prime Minister Ingram says the bills are designed to make government services more direct and accountable to the people. Janaea Noel has more from last evening's session of Parliament.
Closing the House debate Wednesday, Prime Minister Hubert Ingram said it is the government's intent to make basic services for Bahamians easier and more accessible, as the new road traffic bill requires all road users to have third-party insurance and eliminate the need for a police presence at fender-bender accidents. Mr. Ingram said this will benefit policyholders, as insurance companies have had an easy ride for 60-plus years.
They've had the government, police department, to act as their insurance adjusters. You are insured, and they would not pay your claim until they get a report from the police. Well, that's not my business. Do your own work.
The Prime Minister said that those who are still under the Road Act will remain under this law until it expires. He added that this will also put more police officers on the crime-filled streets.
The reality is there will be more policemen available to fight serious crime, investigate serious accidents than there are today. You know, we have what we call road traffic inspectors and police. What does a road traffic inspector do? What does he do?
Watch traffic drivers.
We got the policeman and the road traffic inspector. What do? One time we bought some scooters for them. They were riding up and down here, new scooters and whatnot, etc. Motorbikes. We have to reform this society.
Ingram added that the next phase of amendments to this law, which is a part of the Free National Movement's new manifesto, will give more powers to police officers.
We want to make sure that criminals in the Bahamas are denied the use of the roads. We want a criminal to know the last place I want to be found is on a street. And so the next phase of this exercise will be that we will put in place a mechanism by which the police can, with that license, that number on that car, determine whose car it is right away, where the car is wanted for anything, etc. You'll hear more about that very soon.
The bill also reduces penalties, which relieves the strain on the public purse for holding night traffic court. Janaea Noel, ZNS News.